What the fuck? Yay! Seriously, what is this place? This is heaven. Okay guys, we are finally in Hebbe Falls. We are finally in Hebbe Falls. Actually,
Hebbe Falls.
We are actually in Hebbe Falls, not in Hebbe Falls. Like we are moving there, so there we have parked our jeep, and we need to go in this direction. Okay, guys, now we finally reached Hebbe Falls, and once you come here, no, they will charge you 590 rupees per person, whether you're a small boy or adult. They will charge you 590. And they will provide you a jeep where they will take you to off-road. After reaching to Hebbe Falls, after taking 590 rupees, pick up and drop both will be available. 3, 2, 1, go! Odu, saika kodu. Odu.
Catch here, man. Catch here. Come here.
What is that,
How
bro?
pure is this water? Whoa! It feels like we are in the Mansarovar.
We are finally arrived to falls, bro. Okay guys, we finished our Hebbe Falls. We have seen of Hebbe Falls and we have taken a bath and we have taken a pictures also. And we are going back to our jeep and we will see you soon. Okay guys, now we are in Z point and per person they will be taking 100 rupees. So we are 3 persons. So they have charged 300 rupees. And from there 3 kilometers of trekking you need to do. So no plastics are allowed and no speakers. So once you come inside, like they will be checking all your belongings, so be careful if you don't take anything. And we have started our trekking, so it goes something like this, and we need to travel 3 kilometers, and we will see you once we get there. Guys, see from here, so no one is coming in this route because this is called the Z point, And if you see from there, no, most of the people are going to that mountain, but I don't know what views you will get from there, but this is ultimate. You can see there, no, like that is what Z point, but I'm still planning to go there. This is my friend Raju, who is planning for an adventure, but my friend is there, Nikhil, but he don't want to come, but still we are planning to go there. Let's go. Guys, I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just following that peak, okay? So if you see here, like no one is there. Even my friend now, he got tired and he was sitting there. And no one is coming. I don't know why. People are not interested in trekking, and why they are coming here, I don't know. It is just to explore whatever you see, bro. Just see from here, no? See from here. If you fall from here, no, you will be dying. I am just following my route. That's all. I came here just for trekking and I am following my route. And this is what I am going, and this is what I will do. And let's see once I reach there. Oh, guys, actually I found the one other way from here also. See, from here it connects. So guys, actually no, I seen two snakes, so which is over there. I don't know whether you can see or not. It is there. It is small snakes only, but I don't know. Let me just throw a stone. I'm almost in the peak, bro. Just see, it is just here. Let me show. That is the end point. That is a end, and that is a set point. I am just touching the no one. See, if you just see next to me, no one is here. I'll just show you. No one is here. I am the only person who is going here. Maybe, I don't know. See, people will come, but I don't know. I am the first person who is going there, and I will show you the end point, exactly how it looks as a Z point view. Yes, we are finally in the Z point view, bro. Oh my god. This is what I wanted to show you. See from here. That mountain is smaller than this. That is just a tiny mountain, and this is a very big. And that and all is just like a bouncy kind, like no need to go there, but this is the ultimate view what you want. And see from there, wow, it is super. So guys, just see, after coming here, no, for Z point, seeing the sunset is more excited. I'll just show you how it looks. See there, the sun is literally going down.